Yeah, empty bottles of red wine laying on the floor from last night. We got a little drunk, yeah. Now I'm a little numb.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Upper Glams, and I'm back with a quick tutorial for you guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscription button and don't forget to hit on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I make a post here on YouTube. I also want to say welcome and thank you to all my new subscribers. You guys are just awesome. So this video tutorial is very easy. It is straight to the point, and yeah, it's been a long time. I actually did a full video tutorial here on my channel. I've been giving you guys so many short videos here, but I promise to try as much as possible to balance it all up. This video is really very long. I think it's more than a year I made this video, and I was just going through my files and I saw it and I said, you know what, I'm just going to show you guys this very short tutorial on how to style your natural hair.
Sunrises, cause I ain't got the time, yeah, can't tell another lie. And baby, I know you want more than this, but you know I can't afford your kiss, so I'm staying for the night, but then I gotta say goodbye.
So before starting the tutorial, I already did stretch out my hair. As you can see from this video, my hair was slightly stretched out and also moisturized. And most times when you come on my channel and you see me starting off Updo or any of my tutorials, I like to just go straight to the point and cut off time of blow drying or trying to stretch out my hair to show to you guys. But yes, I already did stretch out my hair for this tutorial.
I wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Yeah. Oh baby, I don't know. I think I'm scared of falling, and I really don't know how to feel again. Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel.
And all the product that I use will be in the description box down below, so make sure you check that out as well. It will be in the description box. Every product used in this video will be there.
Anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Yeah, yeah. I think I'm scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Yeah. Yeah. Empty bottles of red wine laying on the floor from last night. We got a little drunk, yeah. Now I'm a little numb. Spending hours by your bedside, talking till it's dark out somehow. Can get you off my mind. Don't wanna say goodbye, bye, bye, bye. Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Early mornings in your dome, I'll be sneaking out the door while the sun rises. Cause I ain't got the time, yeah, can't tell another lie. And baby, I know you want more than this, but you know I can't afford your kiss, so I'm staying for the night, but then I gotta say goodbye, bye, bye. Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be think I'm scared of falling, and I really don't know how to feel again. Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Yeah, yeah. I think I'm scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Yeah. Empty bottles of red wine laying on the floor from last night. We got a little drunk, yeah. Now I'm a little numb. Spending hours by your bedside, talking till it's dark out somehow. Can get you off my mind. Don't wanna say goodbye, bye, bye, bye. Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Early mornings in your dome, I'll be sneaking up the.
So guys, this is the final result of the style. It's very beautiful, very elegant, very gorgeous, and also very simple to achieve. If you enjoyed watching this video to this point, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Click on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I make a post here on YouTube. And also don't forget to drop your comment in the comment section down below. Until my next video, bye guys.